Yes, ma'am. You can share the screen till.
Sir, you have disabled me to share screen.
Okay, wait.
निर्मल जी चालू कर दी टीम में बोलना।
Yeah,
Now,
no, I can.
now you can try.
अच्छा आप ये कौन सी दिखा रहे हो? ये बताइए जो अहमदाबाद में दिखाइए।
हाँ पैसा जमा किया।
Hello, sir. Hello.
अनम्यूट कर दिया मैंने। आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir. You can talk, sir. Yes,
Now
yes.
you are seeing total about 40 cars were crushed under this building. अभी next slide दिखाएंगे आपको। ये जो होता है, what is happening is that when how the building with parking lot on ground floor, why they collapse? The reason is that the stress wave starts from the top. It moves from the left to right, and then gradually comes down. From top floor to the first floor, it has uniform cross section. The moment it comes to the ground floor, the cross section is hardly 2.5% to 3%. It cannot take that load. Hence, all buildings which are standing on uh, parking floor, जिसको stilted floor बोलते हैं, they collapse. The reason is I will show you now this diagram. आपने दिखाया diagram दिखाया मुझे? हेलो, आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir. आवाज आ रही है, sir. Next slide, please. Yeah.
वो फिगर में जाइए, आखिरी फिगर एक है, आखिरी मतलब लास्ट में देयर आर स्क्वायर्स और बीच में विथ रेड स्ट्रिप का है, वो दिखाया आप? निर्मल जी ने दिखाया होगा ये ओपन पार्किंग के लिए।
Yes, sir. Same thing is visible. Sir.
Now
Same slide.
what this was happening, so we developed some method to avoid this thing, to reduce this thing or to mitigate this thing. इसमें आप देख रहे हैं, this is a tall building, maybe a 10 or 11 or story more. वही दिल्ली में तो बहुत बड़ी बिल्डिंग हो गई है, मगर the main meaning of parking is to maneuverability of car and car parking. In the tall building, you will realize that the lift shaft जो होता है, lift shaft is the most stable in any building. So what we have done here is that you can take small, you can construct small brick wall. इसके लिए आपको आरसीसी की जरूरत नहीं है. You don't need any RCC or steel frame or anything like that. Just make a small brick wall from the ground up to the top, up to the ऊपर वाला जो beam है वहां तक पहुंचने वाला. You are seeing this in red colors. You are seeing here different red colors, and this will happen. You will have entrance and the parking maneuverability. अंदर कार भी घूम सकती है, and it will come out here and there wherever it wants to go. So if this we tried in about some buildings in Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar also, they have used this technique. So I was trying to request you all. You can see it very well. And then पट्टे में और किसी और जगह पे भी where there are tall structures like more than 17-meter height, you can approach the owner and tell them that in the case of an earthquake, the building more than 17-meter height will be
सर आपने माइक म्यूट कर दिया सर, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही सर।
अभी आवाज
अभी अभी आ रहा है सर।
हाँ. So now this particular design, uh, there are so many students who are listening who want to do some work. They can see it very seriously. If they want, I will send them my research paper published in some research journal about this. I will send it to you, and they can approach the building people there and they can design this thing. If you design this, even if there is an earthquake of large magnitude, the building will not collapse. This is specially applicable to the districts in Bihar bordering Nepal, Muzaffarpur, Madhubani, Motihari, Sitamarhi, etc. These districts are more in seismic zone 5 and lower Bihar is in seismic zone 4. अगली साइड दिखेंगे हम. Now, what are the इफेक्ट हम बताएंगे. दिल्ली में कौन कौन सी बड़ी बड़ी बिल्डिंग है ये आपको दिखाएंगे. अभी देखिए दिल्ली में पहले तो formally there was Qutub Minar was 72.5 meters, but now there are so many new structures. So the tallest structure in Delhi, which is in Pitampura, is 235 meters. So this is there, and then the remaining buildings I will not go into details. You can see it because this slide is available with Nirval Kumarji. He will give it this slide. So this Pitampura tower is a 231 meter height and 235 meters. Nothing will happen to this because it is designed properly. Mirror design is better and material also is better. Now, another thing is this Badarpur thermal power station, but it is now these chimneys are 150 meter tall, but now this almost dismantled, so we will not discuss much about it. Recently, once upon a time, Connaught Place was a 1 or 2 or 3 story building, but now there are tall structures which you are seeing. So एक दिखाते जाइए, मैं भी दिखा रहा हूँ. अभी नव श्याम प्रसाद मुखर्जी सेंटर मिंटो रोड पे है. देन हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स बिल्डिंग ऑन इन Connaught Place. Now this is what I want to show you. In Indraprastha Estate, there is a 30-story building which is known as Vikas Minar. You are seeing it, Vikas Minar. Here, there is a Delhi Development Authority office and some other offices are also there. So you can see the building, Vikas Minar. So इसमें you will see after every 10th floor, there is a gap so that it can be refugee area जिसको कहते हैं वो बनाया है. मगर another this thing is there. दिल्ली में रिवन पटने में, not only पटना, सारे बिहार में, सारे हिंदुस्तान में, one of the most vulnerable danger is due to telephone transmitting towers. As per rules, regulations and guidelines of the concerned authorities,
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही सर, आप माइक.
अब आ रही है?
यस यस यस.
So as per rules regulation, the telephone tower which has a height between 10 to 20 meter should be anchored to the column of the building. What I am showing you is column. Delhi में the Sanchar Bhavan, there is a building Sanchar Bhavan near Parliament Street, and on this Sanchar Bhavan you have got a 20 meter tall tower. Nothing will happen to this tower because it is anchored to the main column of the building. Then there are so many, next picture you will see, there are so many DDA colonies and all are on stilted floor. if the people residing there, the Delhi government or anybody do not take any step in the case of a major earthquake, this whole thing will collapse. Similar is the situation likely to occur at Patna. ये भी आप ख्याल में रखिए. पटना में अब now so many big tall story buildings are coming with silted floor. We हम आगे देखेंगे. Now all these things are there. ये I will show you one more picture. Those who have visited Delhi, वहाँ पे on the Janpath area near Eastern Court, there is a building known as Vikas Chandralok building है. This is a 10-story building. The funniest part is the ground floor is entirely silted floor, and between 7, 8, 9, 10 floor, you have got a cantilevered balcony and a reconstruction. As per IS code 1897, no cantilevered projected balcony is permitted. ये हमने पटने में भी देखा है और बाकी जगह भी देखा है. Cantilevered balconies in tall structures are there, so respective municipalities and authorities should take care about this. Now, I will give you one or two more examples. Our boys, our architects, or structural engineers is going to various countries, American, European, Japanese countries for advanced training. But in our country, our ancient structures, they give a lot of information. I am showing you there is a mandir which is known as Bajirao Mahadev Mandir or Bajirao Temple. It is near Manali. Manali से कोई 20-25 किलोमीटर दूर है. During 1905 earthquake, entire Manali was grounded. There was no structure was standing, but this particular mandir, आप देख रहे, are you seeing the temple in your screen? Hello? तो ये जो है, ये why it is not? It is about 22 meter high. Nothing has happened. This has been standing for last 1100 years. It has experienced at least 4 major earthquakes of magnitude around 8. Nothing has happened to this. You will see it has extended floor, extended footings on all 4 sides, and a tapering cross section. So this is the reason. And I will go to the next slide. This is a typical mountain monastery in Leh. This is standing for last 800 years. Height is around 300 meters. I have gone from bottom to top of this building and examine what is happening there. So this is standing. Now this example, Bajura or ye will be somewhat educative, but next example is extremely useful, which is very near to you. जो बिहारी लोग हैं, वो तो they must have seen or heard about Kamakhya Mandir in Guwahati. Guwahati में there is a hill about 70 meter high, and on that you see the Kamakhya Mandir. I am showing in this figure why it has experienced about 3 major earthquakes during last 400 years. This mandir was built in एक मिनट. मेरा कंप्यूटर का बैटरी थोड़ा डाउन होगा, मैं लगा रहा हूँ. होल्ड ऑन, बंद मत कीजिएगा. I am telling you, this mandir is standing for last 400 years or more. Nothing has happened to it. Main reason for this, you will see the shape of the building. On this, I have written an article in Hindu में हमने लिखा है article long back about. Now, so this mandir, next slide you will see. You are seeing now, what a portion in the front in orange color is recent construction. But at back, what you are seeing with domes, those are the old construction. So this mandir has withstood for last 400 years and 3 earthquakes of more than 8 magnitude. Just listen. Now, why this happens? As I already told you, it is nothing but the stress, concentration of stress, concentration of stress, and application of concentrated stress during very short time is the main reason of any damage. So, if your building is having sharp corner, as I have shown you, sharp corner, the stress is highly concentrated. But if it is circular or elliptic, the stress gets distributed and damage is either nil or very less damage. Now, I will come to toward the end of the question. After the Gujarat earthquake, I visited the Bhuj site, and here you can see this picture. Click to add. यहाँ पे देखिए. In the back, you are seeing a conical type of structure. Are you seeing that? Hello, Mane sahab.
Yes, sir. Yes.
That
Bunga
structure
type
जो है,
houses, sir. Yes.
that is known as Bunga type house. So in the front, the boy is sitting on a crushed RCC building. RCC building crushed. The boy is sitting. But the background, you are seeing what is known as Bunga type of construction. Bhugam is an inverted conical type of construction. How it is, we will see in the next picture. Now, after the earthquake, the Gujarat government and the local Bhuj administration have started constructing Kutch mein such type of houses. Oh, you will see the base single story house and the is hexagonal or octagonal. Upar mein you have got a conical cross section. Now our engineers and architects are very intelligent. They have started to modernize this in a Bunga type of construction. This is a modern house in Bunga style in Kutch building hai. So this is what I will request you. Some of your architects or civil engineers may examine this. If required, you can go to Kutch and in areas like Sitamarhi, Madhubadi, Motihari, Muzaffarpur, all those Supal, the area which in seismic zone 4, the new construction could be designed and built as per this. Yeah, this is very useful. Don't apply for any government job, but architecture student and civil engineering student, structural engineering student may examine this thing. I will send my research paper and also popular articles to Nirmal ji. You can share with you. Next. देखिए, when there is a sharp corch edge, the cracks are more. And when it is a circular cross section, there is no cross section. Now, coming to the recent happening in, I think, Nirmal ji, shall I talk for another 10 minutes? Hello?
Sure, sir. No problem, sir. You can continue.
The most stable building in Delhi is known is the Parliament House. अब देखिए, this is the most stable building. Now there is a plan to build a new Parliament building and all that. So I was also asked, हमने बोला भाई आपको बनाना है तो बनाइए, but don't demolish the existing Parliament House. And this is, I will show you next time. Now, another danger, what I told you, I will come to that in mobile towers. You can see the mobile tower. People are installing the mobile tower at one corner of the terrace. And the tower is not connected to the main column of the building. This is so risky that you are seeing in one picture. I will not name the town or place where it is photographed, but you can see how the structure has. ये देखिए, what you are seeing, this is a big picture. Then this picture next is the wall has come down by about 20 centimeters. I went and told the owner, मैंने बोला भाई आपकी तो ये बिल्डिंग गिर जाएगी. हाँ साहब गिरने दीजिए, अभी तो क्या हमारा चल रहा है. So this is that should not be done. दिल्ली में so many towers are there. पटना में, बिहार में, so many places you have got towers which are erected, which are unauthorized at one corner of the terrace. The Bihar government, Bihar DST, आपके engineering college जो भी है, they may take up a program to catalog all such towers unauthorized and install improperly. Now coming to, I will not go much. Bihar में there are so many rivers and there are so many bridges are there. But I will not give example of Delhi bridges and overpass. But I'll give example. In 2008, China has experienced an earthquake known as Sichuan earthquake. After this earthquake, I visited China and I was shown that Sichuan city is on the bank of a river Sichuan. On the river Sichuan, there are about 6-7 bridges are there. Out of these, only one bridge has not collapsed. All other bridges have collapsed because the annual maintenance of the bridge was done hardly 1 week before. Bihar, there are so many bridges, so many rivers. Then I inquired, but to be very frank, maintenance of the bridges is not as per required standards. So all of you can take up this problem, and in one bridge, which is now has been declared unfit for travel. Why it has suffered, I also know it, but I don't want to discuss it. But other bridges which are there, the annual maintenance contract of those should be immediately undertaken. Otherwise, खुदा ना खास्ता अगर भूकंप हो जाए तो इन पुलों का क्या होगा? अगर ये पुल टूट जाते हैं तो बिहार में communication will be very, very big problem. Now, I won't go to this. Now, I am coming to the end. Now, all these things is of academic interest, and some of you students must take it up So create seismic awareness through various media. Maintenance of bridge is required. Then another thing is Bihar mein, especially those bridges connecting Patna. Suppose something happens and all bridges they fail. The Pontoon bridge, जिसको पीपा पुल बोलते हैं हिंदी में, they should be kept ready. बनारस में ऐसा पीपा पुल है, वो from go to बनारस to the other place, रामपुर में जाने के लिए. So पीपा पुल क्या है वो आप जानते ही हो. या create seismic awareness and a short pamphlet about what should be done, what should not be done, should be useful. I have written such a pamphlet for Assam government, and the same has been translated in Assamese language, and it is being distributed. I will show you. Now, ये जो है, this is in Assamese language, and I will give one list. There are so many IS courses about structural engineering and how to construct, etc. There are total roughly about 9-10 courses are there. So I am giving a list of these courses. You can see this, and it may be available in your library. If it is not there, you can procure it, and these will be useful to you for the studies. Now I am coming to the end, and I would like to express my thanks. आप सबको हम धन्यवाद देना चाहते हैं, और अभी हम हमारा माइक म्यूट करेंगे, और कोई सवालात है तो हम जरूर जवाब देंगे. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you very much, sir, for wonderful webinar. Now I request the students to ask their queries directly to our speaker. Unmute yourself and ask the queries.
मैं अनम्यूट कर दूं? हाँ बोलिए.
No, sir, your mic should be muted. No, unmuted, sir. Students, if you have any query, you can ask directly.
कोई सवाल नहीं है? हाँ बोलिए. हाँ बोलिए.
I think no questions from students. They have understood fully, and then they will design these buildings and structures according to whatever you said, sir. So
कहना चाहते हो? हाँ
yes,
निर्मल जी.
yes, sir.
कुछ कहना चाहते हो? निर्मल जी.
Yes, sir. Yes.
जी बताइए.
Please unmute yourself, sir.
बोल रहे हैं निर्मल जी.
Aradhna ma'am, please unmute yourself.
myself.
Sir,
Yes, yes, sir. You are
hello,
audible.
sir.
Yes.
Audible now. I am thankful to you, Dr. Arun Bapat, for making deliberations on seismic practices in our country. And you have
informed and educated us about the different code of practice published by Bureau of Indian Standards, and which is most important code is 1893 part 1 2002, which is a basic code for earthquake resistance design of structures. You have also discussed 1904 code of practice for structural safety of foundations. You have also discussed the code of practice for structural safety of the building, particularly masonry of reinforced concrete structure. You have also informed us about 13920, and there are number of code published by Bureau of Indian Standard. It is also published for the mud house also, bamboo structures also, how it will be able to resist the natural onslaughts of earthquake. So you have no doubt sensitized our students and teachers, and the students should capture the knowledge to become dignified in the knowledge society. Now we are moving in a knowledge society nowadays, and without knowledge, no one become dignified. And therefore, we have to capture knowledge, and by rigorous labor. So students are again requested to make in close contact of Dr. Bapat, who is always ready to help our students and teacher. Again, I am requesting Professor Saurabh Kumar, who is our in charge of the earthquake safety clinic. And in earthquake safety clinic, why it is going to be operational here? Here we have to document all the earthquake safety related resources or any deliberations or abroad, and it will be documented here at the Apex Center of BC Bhagalpur, and the same will be disseminated very simple form, and that will be able a house which is able to students, because Dr. Bapat दिवस के अवसर पर हिंदी में बात किया आ सकती है। कहीं बेसिक इन्होंने सेस्मिक कोड्स के बारे में बात किया, इसमें सेस्मिक वाइब्रेशंस के बारे में बात किया, इन्होंने ट्रांसमिशन वेब का कैसे होगा थ्रू अर्थ, ये सारी होगा कि हम नॉलेज करें अर्थक्वेक के कंटेक्स्ट में। एंड दिस लेक्चर हमारे जो चेयरमैन है बीओजी के, ही मैन ऑफ अर्थक्वेक डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट के हैं, उनसे बापट साहब आपकी मुलाकात, हम आपसे सलाह लेते रहेंगे क्लिनिक को कैसे ऑपरेट करें, कैसे डिजाइन करें, प्रोटोटाइप का निर्माण कैसे करें, इस ढंग का एक जनरल हम लोग गाइडलाइंस अर्थक्वेक सेफ्टी के बारे में करने वाले से इसका डिटेल्स वी आर इन मेकिंग। हम लोग धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, इस ज्ञान को पूरे देश भर में बांट रहे हैं, छात्रों के बीच में बांट रहे हैं। इसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद बापट साहब आपको। मैं इसके लिए बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ, आई कोर ऑफ द हार्ट। थैंक यू बापट साहब, धन्यवाद।
Okay, should we now close? I thank all of you, and Nirmal
Yes,
ji,
sir. Thank you very much, sir.
job and other. If you have got any question, you can send it to me. My email ID is available with Nirmal ji. I would like to thank you and good time. बंद करता हूँ अभी।
23, 24.
Yes, yes.
ठीक है, शुक्रिया सर, धन्यवाद सर. Now I am declaring this session as closed. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.